Hey Norm. So once you've finished with the Stripe integration for Jeff's account, I'll need you to integrate ActiveCampaign. So he's always used Campaign Monitor, but now we're moving over to Active. Now everything's moving to Kajabi. We're also going to move his CRM to ActiveCampaign. So his account's already all set up. You should have access to his Campaign Monitor. But what I need you to do is create lists in ActiveCampaign and copy over the automated journeys from Campaign Monitor into ActiveCampaign. So the only ones that we're going to need will be this one here. So the Jar method membership. So there's 4 emails. So once someone registers to the Jar method or pays, they need to receive this journey. And then the second one is for an ebook, Exercise Makes You Fat. So this book here, so I've given you, I'll give you in Teamwork the logins to his ActiveCampaign. I've already set up lists for both. So the Jar method active members, so anyone who purchases the program, they need to go to this list and set up this automation. So just copy this automation. The TJM the Jar method, this one here. So these 4 emails. So copy that over for this list, Jar method active members, and then Exercise Makes You Fat needs to be this workflow here. So I've created the list. You just need to create the automations in his ActiveCampaign and connect up both Kajabi pages up to each form. So we need to get that done once you've connected Stripe. Thanks. I'll provide all the logins and all the details in here as well. Thanks, mate.